Would like to welcome you to the third round of the session today. Yes, I will begin my session with Sanjana. Yes, Sanjana, can we know something about yourself, who you are?
I am Sanjana Pathar. I am from the Vijaypur district. I am study completed in second PUC in Prism College, Dharwad. My aim is IAS officer dream. Uh, e- Degree started in August 15.
Hmm.
Um, my course in BSc in CBZ course.
Hmm. You want to become an IS officer.
Yes, sir, my dream.
Your dream is to become an IS
Yes.
officer. What you have done now in your qualification, second PUC.
No, sir, completed in mm, uh, degree completed next competitive preparing myself.
Huh. You have completed your bachelor's degree.
No, sir, in completed in only second PC.
Okay, fine. So, yeah. So, why do you want to learn English?
First of all, my learning English is my hated subject in 10th standard is Kannada medium also.
Hmm.
In first time English mediums in PU Science College is English is not understand in 2 3 or 3 months. My father is always pushed on English is very easy. Sometimes is heavy and learning English is very easy. First PUC is very tough in subject in PCMB subject. In bio subject is very difficult in words. Second time second PUC is comfortable. I am English is easy understanding in all subjects and speaking teachers also good English is every class speak in only English class PCM subject. uh, I am also one day I achieve in English learning in my own self. Learning English is my English subject is very boring in first PUC also. English is 3 days. I am home in very crying. English subject is very difficult and no. Ante, I am decided in fourth day. I English watch. Uh, uh, Speaking and watching motivation videos. First of all, Kannada medium also next English medium speaking very good motivation speak. I am also daily watched in UPSC crack in Kannada medium to English medium.
Hmm.
Watching daily uh, motivation speak 1 hour spend with motivation speaks.
Okay, fine. Wow. Now you are comfortable with English?
Yes, sir. And
Uh, yeah, found some grammatical mistakes that you are
yes,
making,
sir.
but still you are speaking.
Yes, sir.
You are trying to express things that you want to express.
Yes, sir.
That's greatness of yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
my next question for Spurti. Spurti, please tell us something about yourself.
My name is Purti. I am from Yadgiri district. My father name is Yankanna. My mother name is Maheshwari. Uh, Currently, I am pursuing civil engineering degree.
You are from Yadgir
Yes, sir.
and you are from Vijaypur. Now you both stay together.
Yes, sir.
You are friends now.
Sisters, cousins.
Oh, cousins. Okay, fine. So, yeah, tell me about your qualifications. Like you have done your engineering,
Not done. I am pursuing, sir.
pursuing.
Uh,
From which college?
KLE Technological Hubli.
From Hubli.
Hubli.
Okay, fine. So, why English is important to you and how you will learn it quickly?
Because it is important in my for my engineering degree to presentation for the presentation interview and group
Hmm.
discussions.
Hmm.
It will help for my degree.
Hmm.
My friends during the presentation, my other friends are doing well.
Hmm.
uh, they are speaking well in English,
Hmm.
but I
Meanwhile, you are feeling uncomfortable to talk.
uncomfortable. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, fine.
So I want to learn English fluently. I know some grammar topics, some English words pronunciation I know, but I don't talk English fluently.
Hmm.
And also I have huge fear, stage fear.
That is seem now. But you are speaking good in English, huh? You are speaking good, but regularly you have to speak.
First
If
time I
consistently you start speaking it,
yes.
you'll definitely be good. What you are expecting the fluency in you, but start speaking daily on the regular basis.
Okay, sir. It will help for my degree, sir. English is.
Okay, fine. Yes, nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Kavya.
Yes.
Yes, please tell me something about yourself.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Kavya Hubbali. I come from Lakshmeshwara. I completed my undergraduation in MG RDPR University, Gadag, in BSc stream. Yes.
Okay, now you are doing what?
Now only focusing in English on this.
Only focusing on improving English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So why English is important in your life?
Next, after the my UG, sir, I
UG,
UG means
undergraduation.
undergraduation. I pursuing. Next. My next is PG, sir. I applied for MSc GIS, sir. So it will help to improve the presentation and communication in post graduation education.
Hmm. But your already communication is good. You are thinking and speaking very well. Yeah, good. Appreciate. Huh. Regularly, if you keep on doing seminars, presenting some or other topics, then that will help you to gain some experience. All of a sudden, you do anything new, so you can't perform well. People with talent can perform well, but as we doing something new, we can't perform in that excellent way. So for that needs daily routine on that. So keep speaking daily,
Yes.
take some or other topics, present to your friends, talk on that matter, because you want good presentation skills that you have said me,
Yes.
right? So to enhance the skills of presentation, we have to present, we have to give presentations
Yes. Okay, sir.
and give presentations regular. Yes, nice talking to you, three of you. Thank you so much
Thank you, sir.
for being here. Take care.